Avogadro's law. See, Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law is not different, which is nothing but Charles' second law only. But we never use Gay-Lussac's law. Usually only Boyle's law, Charles' law, and Avogadro's law. From these three, we derive one combined equation that is called ideal gas equation. Avogadro's law is nothing but at constant temperature and pressure, equal volumes of all gas containing equal number of moles of molecules. B directly proportional to N. B directly proportional to N, number of molecules. So here constant temperature and pressure. देखो first एक Boyle's law में temperature constant है, Charles' law में pressure constant है. Here both are constant. Pressure, temperature both are constant. Then equal volumes of all gas containing equal number of moles or molecules, nothing but Avogadro's law. V proportional to N. Number of moles ka nahi, number of molecules ka. V1 by V2 is equal to N1 by N. Nothing but Avogadro's law. Nothing but Avogadro's law. So now we go for combined equation. Combined equation is ideal gas equation. Like what is ideal gas equation? Pressure constant, volume constant, temperature constant. How it correlated only. These are measurable products of the gas: pressure, volume, temperature, and mass. Acha, these two are constant in Boyle's law. Relation between P and V, these two are constant in Boyle's law. According to Boyle's law, this is Boyle's law. This is what constant pressure is called Charles' law. And this is Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law. Pressure directly proportional to T, volume directly proportional to T, pressure inversely proportional to V, and Avogadro's law, V proportional to N at constant temperature and pressure. These are called Avogadro's law. Now, from this we derived ideal gas equation. How can we derive ideal gas equation? Actually, we derive ideal gas equation from this three equation only. This one, Charles' law, and in both cases volume relation. Volume relations. So V directly proportional to here. V directly proportional to 1 by V, equation number 1. V directly proportional to T, equation number 2. Acha, here V directly proportional to N, equation 3. Acha, from 1 to 3, what we get? V proportional to N, T, inversely proportional to P. Acha, PV is equal to PV proportional to NT. Acha, PV is equal to NTR. PV and SMR is equal to NTR. Nothing but ideal gas equation. Commonly, I think you spell like PV is equal to NR. Both are same only. Acha, PV is equal to NR. Acha, what is the N value? Here R is a universal gas constant. Depends upon what? Nature of the gas? Units of measurement. Capital R is called universal gas constant, which depends upon units of measurement. This is called ideal gas equation. PV is equal to NR is called ideal gas equation. Shut up. Acha, according to the Boyle's law, according to Charles' law, according to Avogadro's law, and finally kya? So finally, PV is equal to NR. Acha, R is universal gas constant, which values are depends upon units of measurement, independent of nature of the gas. Whatever may be the nature of the gas, R remains constant, depends upon units of the gas. Acha, it's ideal gas equation. Acha, any gas which obeys all the gas laws at all temperature and pressure is called ideal gas equation. But no gas is 100% perfectly ideal. All gases are said to be real gases. अच्छा, ये वाला ना combined state of equation अंटाम P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2 अंटाम. General गा माने की gaseous state लो निकालती Boyle's law ना Charles' law ना తెలియకపోయినా సరే ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ PV is equal to nRT అని ఈక్వేషన్ తెలిస్తే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని చేసేయచ్చు. అచ్చా టెంపరేచర్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, ఇది కాన్స్టెంట్ తీసుకోండి, ఇది కాన్స్టెంట్ తీసుకోండి, ఈ మధ్య రిలేషన్ రాయండి. వాల్యూమ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, ప్రెజర్, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్, T మీద రిలేషన్ రాయండి. ఏం కాన్స్టెంట్ ఇచ్చారో చెక్ చేసుకోండి ప్రాబ్లమ్. ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ he doesn't know whether it's a Boyle's law, Charles law, తెలియకపోయినా సరే PV is equal to nRT రాస్తే అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చేస్తాయి. సింపుల్. अच्छा combined equation direct formula P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 combined state anta P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. The general gas equation PV is equal to nRT general gas equation है. P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2 if number of moles are constant. If number of moles are different, n also use. अच्छा डेंसिटी how will find out density देखो. अच्छा for PV is equal to nRT, चलो राइट PV is equal to nRT. अच्छा P is equal to n by V RT. P is equal to n by V RT. n ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు నేను weight by gram molecular weight into RT by V. चलो वेट बाय वॉल्यूम को डेंसिटी लिखना, वेट बाय वॉल्यूम को डेंसिटी लिखना. अच्छा P is equal to dRT by m. अच्छा प्रेशर की डेंसिटी की रिलेशन P is equal to dRT by m. One more equation directly can use the formula. Sometime here density is equal to Pm by RT. अच्छा previous class का क्वेश्चन only any gas, neon gas है, argon gas है, any one gas is given. अच्छा neon having maximum density at which of the following conditions? ఇలా అడుగుతారు questions. Neon gas having maximum density which of the following condition అడిగారు అనుకోండి. अच्छा density maximum ఉండాలంటే ప్రెషర్ అయి ఉండాలి, టెంపరేచర్ లో ఉండాలి. హై ప్రెషర్ లో టెంపరేచర్ neon gas is having maximum density. అంటే మీకు మగప్ చేయదు వాల్యూస్ రీజనబుల్ గా అడుగుతారు. నాలుగు ఆప్షన్ లో which option high pressure is there, low temperature, because D proportional to P and D inversely proportional to T. So क्या होना चाहिए मैक्सिमम डेंसिटी के लिए? हाई प्रेशर होना चाहिए and low temperature. Given option में क्या, which option में high pressure है, low temperature है? That is correct option for this question. Previously asked APMD का question. Not only neon, any gas is given. Any gas having maximum density at which of the following condition means high pressure होना चाहिए, low temperature होना चाहिए. In this condition is maximum. ये density अलग अनुకుంటాం. Density की molecular weight की relation. Density and molecular mass का relation. अच्छा चलो one more relation है. अच्छा देखो ideal gas equation है PV is equal to nRT ना. PV is equal to nRT ideal gas equation, right? For 1 mole of a gas, 1 mole of a gas क्या PV is equal to RT ना. 1 mole any molecules ఉంటాయి. अच्छा this equation for Avogadro number of molecules, right? This equation for Avogadro number of molecules मतलब 1 mole का मतलब Avogadro number of molecules. Suppose they are asking a question for 1 molecule of a gas, what is the relation? For 1 molecule of a gas, then what is the relation? PV is equal to R by N T. अच्छा R by N is क्या? 3T. अच्छा because 1 mole Avogadro number of molecules. Avogadro number of molecule की relation थी. ఒక molecule की relation divide by N रास्ता. R by N is called Boltzmann constant. K is equal to R by N, which is nothing but Boltzmann constant. अच्छा value is equal to 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 joule molecular Kelvin inverse and molecular inverse. Sometime theoretical గా రావాల్సుకుంటే question what is the K value R by N. What is the value of K? 1.38 into 10 power minus 23. As you can multiply karo, k into n, we get R value. K value this much, n value 6.10423 है. Multiply karo 8.314 आएंगे R value. R value. Sometime in JEE advanced questions are asked. How many significant figures are there? अच्छा R is equal to कैसा? R is equal to k into n. अच्छा k value कितना है? 1.38 into 10 power minus 23. 23. अच्छा n value कितना है? 6 into 10 power 23. ये मल्टीप्लाई करो, ये कितना होगा? 8.314 जूल्स है. जूल के यूनिवर्स. अच्छा R value in kilo, R value joules में ये value. So k value अगर चांस मिला, बोस्टन चांस. इनका अच्छा न्यूमेरिकल R value एक ఏం తీసుకుంటారు చెప్పండి. న్యూమరికల్ R value జనరల్ గా ఏం తీసుకుంటారు? న్యూమరికల్ R value. న్యూమరికల్ R value. R value ఎంత తీసుకుంటాం? లీటర్ ATM లో ఇస్తే కనుక వాల్యూమ్ లీటరు అదర్ ATM లో ఇస్తే R value ఎంత తీసుకుంటాం? 0.0821. దీని ఏమో రాసుకోవచ్చు 1/12 రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇంకా ఏమో రాసుకోవచ్చు 22.4/27. अच्छा ఈ వాల్యూస్ స్మార్ట్ వర్క్ చేయడానికి ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. PVC కూడా ఎన్ఆర్టీ రాశాను అనుకోండి నేను. अच्छा టెంపరేచర్ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 273 లో ఇచ్చారు అనుకోండి. 273 లో 546 లో అయితే 1027 ఇలా ఇచ్చారు. మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 273 ఇచ్చారు అనుకోండి. ఇక్కడ R వాల్యూ రాసుకుంటారంటే సింపుల్ గా 22.4/270 రాసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి. अच्छा 546 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది ఈజీగా. 10 సార్లు 0.081 రాయవసరం లేదు. లేదు ఇంకా సింప్లిఫికేషన్ వాల్యూ రావాలనుకోండి 1/12 రాసుకోండి. 1/12 అన్నా ఇదే వాల్యూ, 20.4 అన్నా ఇదే వాల్యూ, సేమ్ వాల్యూ. 10 సార్లు ఇదే వాల్యూ రాయాలని ఏం లేదు మనకి. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఎక్కడ సింపుల్ గా ఉంటే ఆ వాల్యూ యూజ్ చేసుకోండి. సో మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ టెంపరేచర్ కనుక 273, 546 ఇలా మల్టిపుల్స్ కనుక ఉంటే then you can use 22.4/270 రాసుకోండి. వెరీ ఈజీ. కన్వర్షన్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఈజీ ఇన్ స్టేట్స్ ఆఫ్ मैटर में. అలాగొండ R వాల్యూ SI यूनिट లో జూల్స్ में SI यूनिट में R वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू क्या? 8.314 जूल केल्विन इनवर्स मोल इनवर्स. अच्छा दिस मोल इनवर्स. अच्छा దీని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? నేను 25/3 రాసుకోవచ్చు. 25/3 అనే 8.314 కదా. అంటే ఈజీ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ కోసం 25/3 రాసుకుంటాయి. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఈజీ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. క్యాన్సిలేషన్ లేవనుకోండి అప్పుడు రాసుకోండి 8.314 0.081%. अच्छा आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन PV is equal to NRT. Okay, correct. But at what condition? Because we said no gas is 100% ideal. All gas are real gas. But when real gas behave like an ideal gas? This is very important. So conditions are here. All gases are real gases. But when real gas behave like an ideal gas? Acha real gas behave like ideal gas. Ideal gas. When what condition? At what condition? Low pressure, high temperature. This condition only real gas behave like ideal gas. Otherwise, all gases are said to be real gases. Achha, for a kind of information, I think you already studied in physics also, kinetic molecular theory of gases. One of the two faulty assumptions in the gas system. What is the first faulty assumption? Volume of a single gas molecule is negligible when compared to the total volume of the gas. Volume of single gas molecule is negligible when compared to total volume of the gas, which is an uncertainty is there. This is not applicable to all cases. When is applicable? Volume is so large, huge, very huge, so large. Then single gas molecule volume is considered negligible. In those cases, this possibility is correct. That's why low pressure. That's why low pressure. Low pressure means volume is so large. Then the possibility is correct. Single gas molecule volume is considerable. Sorry, negligible when compared to the volume of the gas. And one more possibility. There is no force of attraction repulsion among the gas molecules, which is given kinetic molecular theory of gases. One of the postulates. Among the gas molecules, there are no force of attraction repulsions. Achha, when this is possible? Again, low pressure. Low pressure means volume is so large. Volume is so large means molecules are apart from each other only. year one, there one, year one, apart from each other. Among the gas molecule, there is no force of attraction repulsion. Actually, if gas is compressed, then that is not ideal gas. The gas which obey all the postulates in kinetic molecular theory of gases, those gases are said to be ideal gases. Remaining all gases are said to be real gases. Frankly speaking, all gases are real gases. But at what condition? Conditions are applied. At low pressure, high temperature, all real gas behave like a real gas. మనం real gas ने van der Waals equation అంటాం. Ideal gas की PV is equal to the ideal gas equation ने ideal gas equation ని PV is equal to nRT అంటాను. ఇక్కడ ప్రెషర్ కరెక్షన్ చేయాల్సి ఉంది బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాస్ ని కంప్రెస్ చేస్తే ప్రెషర్ కరెక్షన్ చేయాలి, వాల్యూమ్ కరెక్షన్ చేయాలి. ఈ గ్యాస్ వాల్యూమ్ కరెక్షన్, ప్రెషర్ కరెక్షన్ చేస్తే P is equal to A n square by V square. V minus NB is equal to nR. This is a real gas, this is ideal gas. Ideal gas లో కొన్ని కరెక్షన్ చేసుకుంటే నాకు van der Waals ఈక్వేషన్ అయ్యింది. van der Waals ఈక్వేషన్ కాల్ రియల్ గ్యాస్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఐడియల్ గ్యాస్. ఏంటి కరెక్షన్? ఇగో చూడండి, ఇది P డాష్ ఇస్ కరెక్షన్. देखो, this is I said P plus P dash V minus V dash is equal to nR. अच्छा, P dash is a pressure correction है, V dash is volume correction है. अच्छा, P dash को क्या? P dash is equal to क्या? P dash is equal to A n square by V square है. अच्छा, here A is nothing but intermolecular force of attraction. Van der Waals constant, which signifies intermolecular force of attraction. Sometimes they will ask what are the units of A. A is nothing but P dash B square by n square. अच्छा, units of A. P dash is pressure ना ATM है, volume है liter square है, this is mole square है, mole square है. What are unit है? ATM, liter square, mole minus 2 units of A. अच्छा, A signifies what? A signifies what? Intermolecular force of attraction. Whenever any molecule having larger the A value, more easily compress the gas. A value is higher, more force of, starting today, starting point, intermolecular force of attraction dominates. Gas converting to liquid converting into solid state. Intermolecular force of dominating, gas can easily compress it. But A value is very, very small, like hydrogen and helium. A values are very, very small, very difficult to compress the gas only. Very difficult. Actually, in order to compress the hydrogen gas, helium gas, we require around minus 240, minus 270 degrees Celsius. Very difficult to maintain. Imaginary temperature only. Can you imagine minus 10? Can you imagine 10 degrees? Can you imagine 0 degrees? Can you imagine minus 273, minus 240 degrees? So hydrogen and helium very difficult to compress. This is called permanent gases only. So A value, what is significance of A? A significance, intermolecular force of attraction. A significance here, I go for A significance. What is significance of A? Significance of A. A signifies intermolecular force of attraction. Intermolecular force of attraction. अच्छा, A value increases, liquefaction of the gas increases. Gas easily compressed, gas easily turned into liquid state. A value increases, liquefaction increases. Liquefaction is increases. अच्छा, surface chemistry also we studied. A value increases, TC value increases, adsorption tendency increases. Easily liquefied gas are adsorbed very easily on the surface of the solid. अच्छा, अलग और क्वेश्चन आगे A value का नहीं, TC value का नहीं, बेरीते liquefaction of the gas increases only. If A value increases, TC value increases, adsorption also increases. Adsorption also increases. And the A signifies what? Intermolecular force of it. What are the units of A? Similarly, volume correction V dash क्या है? Volume dash. V dash is nothing but NB. अच्छा देखो, V dash is nothing but NB only ना. अच्छा b dash is equal to nb ना, b is equal to क्या है b dash by n ना. अच्छा b dash is liter है, liter per mole, unit of b is liter per mole. b signifies what? Size है, volume is size है. b signifies what? Size of the molecule. b value increases, size of the molecule increases. b signifies size of the molecule. b signifies size of the molecule. अच्छा, can you know what is the b value? Can you know what is the b value? Sometime b value also they ask the questions on. What is the b value? Chalo, I will tell you. Acha, when gas is compressed, when a gas is compressed, at what extent you can compress? Both molecules can touch each other. Molecules cannot be overlapped. Today only we discussed it. Between the molecule, force of attraction is weaker. Maximum compressor is they can touch with each other. They cannot overlap. Acha, if you want to calculate how much volume is negligible, considerable, I am going to calculate B correction only, volume correction only. So this is called excluded volume बोलता है, co-volume बोलता है. Excluded volume, co-volume. अच्छा, pair of molecule I consider. Pair of molecule I consider. अच्छा, two molecule, whenever gas is compressor, when two molecules can touch each other, this is the maximum extent can touch with each other only. अच्छा, चलो, this is the nucleus and this is the nucleus. Now I can draw an imaginary line for this nucleus. Pair molecule, but single molecule very difficult to calculate the volume. Pair molecule I am going to calculate the volume, right? Chalo. Chalo. Now this is R, this is R. अच्छा, volume of pair of the molecule के लिए volume calculate करना. Pair of molecule. अच्छा, I am going to calculate volume. 4/3 pi r cube, no doubt at all. Volume of the sphere na. But R is nothing but 2r na. This entire molecule, this imaginary sphere, I can go for radius कितना है. अच्छा, 4/3 pi 2r 4 cube. कितना होगा? 8 4/3 pi r cube. 8 4/3 pi r cube. Right? 8 4/3 pi r cube. मतलब 8b I can go for b. Sorry. This is what, this is for pair molecule, but one molecule के लिए we are going to calculate for one molecule. You have to subtract it. One molecule के लिए कितना है? For one molecule divide by 2 करना. One molecule के लिए कितना है? 4 into 4/3 pi r cube. अच्छा, चलेगा for 4b ना. This value b ना. B is called excluded volume, co-volume. B is nothing but excluded volume. దీన్ని మనం అంటాం co-volume అంటాం. 4b అంటాం. ఎప్పుడు తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఒక మాలిక్యూల్ తీసుకున్నాం. అచ్చా, నేను 1 మోల్ తీసుకుంటే n మోల్ కదా. 1 మోల్ తీసుకుంటే 1 మోల్ ఎన్ని మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఉంటాయి? అవగాడ్రో నెంబర్. This is for one molecule. I go for 1 mole. For 1 mole. For 1 mole తీసుకుంటే నేను 1 mole తీసుకుంటే B వాల్యూ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 4 into అవగాడ్రో నెంబర్ into B అవుతుంది. 1 mole తీసుకుంటే అంటే n mole తీసుకుంటే ఈక్వేషన్ లో p plus a n squared by v square v minus nbn అన్నారు nbn అన్నారు n అంటే n mole తీసుకుంటే b is equal to 4 into n into n naught bn. ఒకవేళ డైరెక్ట్ గా ఈ ఫార్ములా ఇచ్చి కనుక్కోమన్నా కనుక్కోవాలి. b వాల్యూ ఎంత అంటే b వాల్యూ 4 times of the initial volume అంటాం b అని. ఇంత నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయాలి, ఇంత టోటల్ వాల్యూమ్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు when gas is compressed, when gas is expanded, the single gas molecule volume is negligible. There is nothing but ideal gas equation. When you can subtract it, when gas is compressed, means high pressure, very high pressure. Low pressure में no problem नहीं, high pressure में gas compressed, molecules can touch each other. Previously we excluded the volume only. How much you can exclude it, that you have to subtract from the total volume. This is called volume correction. Volume correction. How the sir questions are how they are asking means we are going to discuss. Van der Waals equation lo question application adutaru. Problem numerical part chala less adiyedi. Concept based adutaru. A significance gaani, B significance gaani, units of A gaani, units of B gaani. Ila B value in terms of volume lo enta, B value enta anedi. ఇవన్నీ కూడా theoretical questions ఏ, numerical questions కాదు. ఎలా అడుగుతారో చూద్దాం Van der Waals equation questions. And before discussing Van der Waals question, can you know what is meant by compressibility factor? Do you know what is meant by compressibility factor? Z value. Shall I go what is compressibility factor? देखो what is Z? Z is called compressibility factor. अच्छा Z is equal to how much? Z is equal to V real upon V ideal. अच्छा for a kind of information V real upon V ideal. For a kind of information PV is equal to RT na for 1 mole of a gas. अच्छा V is equal to RT by P na. So instead of V ideal I can go for Z is equal to V real upon. अच्छा instead of this I can put RT by P. मतलब Z is equal to P V real upon RT. अच्छा PV real is equal to RT, that is called ideal gas only ना. Real gas volume is equal to ideal gas, that is called ideal gas only ना. For ideal gas के लिए PV is equal to RT होना चाहिए. So Z is equal to 1 for ideal gas. Z less than 1 is negative deviation from ideal behavior. Z is greater than 1 is positive deviation from ideal behavior. अच्छा Z is equal to 1 is ideal gas है. Ideal gas है. Z less than 1 is a negative deviation from ideal behavior है. Deviation from ideal behavior है. I think 2020 NEET exam ना 2020 NEET exam ना question ask करा. 2020 का 2019 का NEET exam में question है. Z less than 1 అయితే కనుక negative deviation from ideal behavior, attractive force or dominant over here. Attractive force అంటే A value is considerable ఇక్కడ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Attractive force అంటే A value is considerable only. Here attractive force or dominant only. Attractive forces are dominant over here. अच्छा Z is greater than 1 అయితే positive deviation from ideal behavior. Which forces are dominant? Repulsive forces are dominant only. These are the question previously asked in NEET examination 19 and 20. Previously also asked Z is equal to 1 less than 1 greater than 1. Theoretical questions only they are asking. They are not asking any numerical, theoretical question only. Z అంటే జనరల్ వన్ V real upon V ideal తీసుకోవాలి. ఇంకా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇంకా కాంప్లికేటెడ్ అంటే కొంచెం ఇంకో 1 స్టెప్ అహెడ్ అంటే క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా అడుగుతారంటే अच्छा 1 step ahead ఎలా అడుగుతారంటే క్వశ్చన్ अच्छा Z is equal to less than 1 Z is equal to greater than 1. Z less than 1 అంటే చూడండి V real by V ideal less than 1 ante. अच्छा V real upon sorry V real is less than V ideal. अच्छा STP దగ్గర V ideal कैसे ఎంత 1 mole లో. अच्छा V real ఈ గనుక less than 22.4 liters ఉంటే STP దగ్గర that is a negative deviation from STP. అంటే ఈ పాయింట్ బేస్ చేసుకొని అది నెగటివ్ డీవియేషన్ పాజిటివ్ డీవియేషన్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు. V real కనుక less than 22.4 liters ఉంటే that is called negative deviation. రివర్స్ కదా ఇక్కడ V real is greater than V ideal. मतलब V real is greater than 22.4 ఉంటే కనుక अच्छा ఇప్పుడు నేను బోర్డు మీద రాసిన అన్ని పాయింట్స్ కూడా ఇంత ముందు నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్స్ థియరిటికల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అవి. अच्छा ఈ కండిషన్ ఫైనల్ కండిషన్ దే రాస్కి ఫైనల్ కండిషన్ దే రాస్కి V real is greater than 22.4 లీటర్ STP దగ్గర is positive deviation అని V real is less than 22.4 లీటర్ అంటే నెగటివ్ డీవియేషన్స్ అని is equal to 22.8 ideal gas है. V real is equal to 22.4 ideal gas one. Ideal gas occupies a volume of 22.4 at STP. V real also 20.4, that is called ideal gas only. अच्छा less than greater than or else these conditions. अच्छा 2019 or 18 last 4-5 years में 2 times this kind of questions are asked. What I wrote in board 2 times last 5 years में 2 times these questions only asked. There is concept based questions only asked. अच्छा Van der Waals equation you can see case 1. अच्छा there are 3 to 4 cases. This question also you can see last 5 years में at least 2 to 3 times this question asked. 2016 से देखो 2016 से 2020 तक 2 times of these questions are asked. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. Only 3 cases or 4 cases. I will finish. I will conclude this 4 cases. अच्छा देखो at very low pressure and high temperature. अच्छा for your kind information, what is ideal gas equation? Sorry, what is real gas equation? अच्छा P plus A by V square. अच्छा 1 mole gas 1 mole के लिए V minus B is equal to RT. This is called Van der Waals equation. अच्छा देखो क्या अच्छा तो मैं क्या देखा at very low pressure है. अच्छा very low pressure means volume is so large. Volume is so large. Single gas molecule volume is negligible होंगे. साइज का कोई मतलब नहीं, मतलब इसमें B is negligible only. अच्छा very large huge volume means among the gas molecule also there is no force of attraction repulsion only. Very huge volume, large volume, because very low, extremely very low pressure, very large volume. Large volume में gas molecule apart from each other only. Force of attraction repulsion also less only. That means there is no intermolecule force of attraction also. That means you have to neglect these 2 terms only. And what happened? PV is equal to RT. Divide by RT both sides है. PV by RT is equal to 1. Z is equal to 1. मतलब at extremely very low pressure, high temperature, Z is equal to 1 means it behave like ideal gas. So when real gas behave like ideal gas, this condition ना low pressure, high temperature है. क्यों? देखो at a very high pressure, sorry, very high volume, huge volume, single gas molecule volume negligible. There is no size of the molecule. B negligible. अच्छा very large volume among the gas molecule volume is among the gas molecule there is no force of attraction repulsion. ये also negligible. Then PV is equal to RT. Divided by RT. Z is equal to 1. Ideal gas one. So that's why at very low pressure and high temperature all gas behave like a gas one. This is case 1. Now the case 1. अच्छा Van der Waals gas equation reduced to PV is equal to RT. At what condition? High temperature means temperature increase, gas expand. Gas expand means large volume. Whenever large volume, single gas molecule is negligible. There is no force of attraction. That's why PV is equal to RT. Case 1 is very simple. Mostly they will never ask case 1 because everybody knows at low pressure, high temperature, all gas behave like gas. Mostly they will ask case 2, case 3. अच्छा case ये moderate pressure है. Moderate pressure still is huge volume only. Huge volume means B is negligible only, but A is non-negligible. somehow gas is compressed, not large extent, some extent gas compressed. Among the gas molecule, there should be a force of attraction. A is not negligible. But moderate pressure means still large volume. B is negligible, but A is not negligible. Okay, and then देखो B negligible is A by B इसके negligible काद then expand చేస్తే PV sorry రాస్తున్నాను then expand చేస్తే చెప్పండి PV plus A by V is equal to RT. PV is equal to RT minus A by V. RT to divide చేయండి both side. PV by RT అంటే Z రాసుకోవచ్చు నేను 1 minus A by RTV. Z is equal to 1 minus A by RTV. अच्छा Z is less than 1. అంటే మోడరేట్ ప్రెషర్స్ లో ఏ పాజిటివ్ డివియేషన్ నెగటివ్ డివియేషన్ నెగటివ్ డివియేషన్ అంటే ఈ కండిషన్ అడుగుతారు ఇలా అడుగుతారు which of the following is correct at call check చేసుకుంది like previous class which of the following these are not numericals sir these are only concept based questions only at a moderate pressures which of the following is correct for Van der Waals equation Z is equal to 1 minus A by RTV is correct Van der Waals equation. अच्छा this what I wrote now the same thing is there. अच्छा Z is less than 1. When this possible moderate pressures. Now case 3 only pending है high pressure extremely very high pressure. अच्छा చూడండి very small molecule తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి compress చేసాం అనుకోండి between the molecules are repulsive forces are dominating over the attractive forces. Very small size molecule very much compressed है మన రెండు బాల్ తీసుకొని కంప్రెస్ చేయండి they can collide with each other only. Repulsive forces are maximum when compared to attractive forces. Extremely very high pressure A is negligible but B is not negligible. Extremely high pressure है case 3. Extremely high pressure है देखो volume is very so small కాబట్టి B should be considerable. But whenever gas is compressed so much, repulsive forces are dominating over attractive forces only. Whenever repulsive forces are dominating, very difficult to compress the gas only. Just like hydrogen and helium always shows positive deviation at any pressure zone. अच्छा now equation देखो A by V इसका negligible है then expand करो divide by RT both side है Z is equal to 1 plus PV by RT. Always positive deviation. One of the reason hydrogen and helium always shows positive deviation even at low pressure also moderate also high pressure also reason is there. Hydrogen helium being a very small size among the small size molecule always repulsive forces are dominating. Hydrogen and helium A by V square always negligible. That's why hydrogen and helium very difficult to compress. So I said now hydrogen and helium ni liquefy cheyalante we can use minus 240 degrees Celsius. Very difficult to compress the gas. Always shows positive deviation. Always repulsive forces are dominant over attractive forces only. We can't liquefy under the normal conditions only. Hydrogen and helium. Simple comment. A value కనుక తక్కువ ఉంటే very difficult to liquefy అని. A value ఎక్కువ ఉంటే very easy to liquefy అని. ఈజీగా మనకి 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఇస్తే గ్యాస్ కి ఏ వాల్యూ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు. ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తే ఏ వాల్యూ ఈజీ చెప్పేసేయచ్చు. ఇలా కూడా అడుగుతారు థియరిటికల్ క్వశ్చన్. Which of the following is highly liquefiable? They provide TC value or A value. Higher the TC value, higher the A value, more will be the liquefaction of the gas. Achha, the volume of Z is always greater than 1 and increase with increase in pressure. Pressure పెరిగితే కనుక Z value పెరుగుతుంది. So the very small size of the hydrogen and helium molecule due to small size intermolecular force A is negligible because repulsive forces are dominant. Attractive forces are negligible. Repulsive forces are dominant. Whenever repulsive forces are dominant, A by V is negligible. Whenever A by V is negligible, Z is always greater than 1. K by V square always negligible in case of hydrogen. This kind of question, theoretical question है, conceptual question है, they may ask in need examination. Don't expect each and every question is a numerical only in states of matter. अच्छा numerical chance एक होना है grams ला डाल chance numerical and gas ला chance. Van der Waals equation में more chances are conceptual question and theoretical questions like critical temperature है, critical volume है, Joule-Thomson effect है, inversion temperature है. All these theoretical questions are more possible.